And welcome to today's Tack Hack. And today's Tack Hack is using pool noodles. Yes, pool noodles will help you horse-proof your property. As you can hear, we need some. So any place that you have a sharp edge or some place that you don't want your horses to get scratched on, like the top of a T-post, all you need is some pool noodles and a few zip ties, and that'll take care of it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm starting with. I have some longer, about 11-inch zip ties, and then I also have some 8-inch zip ties, and I've got my pool noodles. All right, just a regular old serrated knife is your friend when it comes to cutting zip ties. All right, so there you go. You got the cap of your T-post covered in the top of one of these little pool noodles. All right, cut to length and put at the top of your T-post. Okay, once you've got it in place, put a zip tie over it. I've found that the 12-inch or 11-inch zip ties work very nicely. You get about a year out of this, sometimes more. It just depends on what part of the country you're in. All right, so you can go ahead and cut the zip ties off, but they may not be that pretty, but they will save you a vet visit eventually. All right, so here's another safety concern right here. See how these are popping out a little bit? I know the horses are going to put their head over here. So another way to use a pool noodle is to put it all the way across and use that as a brace so your horses don't cut themselves that way. So this time all we did was make a vertical slit all the way down, and we're just going to press that into place right there. Okay, so it's not the most beautiful thing in the world, but it is going to stop my horse from getting cut, and that's pretty much the whole point of it. And now I just secure the whole thing with some zip ties. Okay, so here you go. Here's the finished zip tie version. And that looks like it's going to last pretty good. As you can see, Ranger's already wanting to put his head over there. So this will keep him from getting cut up, and the blue they can see rather well. Thank you so much for joining me on today's Tack Hack using pool noodles. Now remember, it's not a permanent solution, but it's a really good way to just kind of keep things as safe as possible and give it a try. And if you want to see more Tack Hacks, please check out our Tack Hack playlist.